ಉಷಾ ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸೈನ್ಸಸ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಾಯಿನ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಉಡಾನ್ 2025 ಪನೀರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ದ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯ ಮೈದಾನದ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ ಬೈಯಡ್ ನಡೆದರು.
Presenting the diverse culture that make institutions special. I request all the audience to kindly rise, soak in the glorious moment and welcome our distinguished guest with warm applause as they mark their way to the stage. This is more than just a march. It's a moment of unity, honor and celebration.
To the guiding force behind the magnificent rhythmic. I also request Mr. Vijay Olivera, the mentor who shaped this incredible band. Please step forward and allow.
As we all know, we'll shine upon the star. You show your love, God, you're beautiful. You told me you will be there for me. I feel your love, cause I do believe. I see you smile down on me. To love, to learn, to lead. You told us how to love, and you taught us how to live. But you know that is true, all I believe is in you. We are flying high, Lord, take care of me. To love, to learn, to live. As we all know, we will shine upon the star. You show your love, God, you're beautiful. You told me you will be there for me. I feel your love, cause I do believe. I see you smile down on me. To love, to learn, to live. To love, to learn, to live.
A heartfelt thanks to the prayer group team for leading us into prayer with such a beautiful and uplifting innovation. Let us take time to honor late Dr. Usha Punja, in whose name this esteemed Nitte Usha Institute of Nursing Sciences was built. Though she is no longer with us, her name continues to shine through the countless students who walk these halls, receive an education, and go on to serve humanity with dedication and compassion. As a mark of respect and remembrance, I now request Professor Dr. Fatima De Silva, Principal, College of Nursing, to kindly guide our esteemed dignitaries in offering floral tribute in her honor. And I request other dignitaries to kindly join. respected faculty members, and my dear students, to this much awaited evening of celebration Udan 2025. I, Miss Vicky Priya, your host for this grand occasion, and it's my absolute honor to lead you through this spectacular event filled with talent, achievements, and inspiration. Udan means flight, which symbolizes ambition, growth, and timeless possibilities. This theme reflects our journey of learning, resilience, and the courage to rise beyond the challenges, just as a bird spreads its wings to embrace the sky. Our students spread their wings of knowledge, determination, and excellence. We chose Udan to celebrate not just achievements, but the spirit of progress, the willingness to dream, the strength to preserve, and the vision to soar toward a brighter future. Today, we honor every effort, every milestone, and every step that takes us closer to new heights. Growth begins with a single step. Just as a mighty tree starts from a tiny seed. To mark the official inauguration of Udan 2025, I invite our esteemed dignitaries to come forward and water the sapling, a symbol of knowledge, progress, and a flourishing future.
MCH ಪ್ರಯೋಗಾಲಯನು ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಡೀಮ್ಡ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿದ ಪ್ರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ ವಿಶಾಲ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಮಲ್ಲಬಿನಿರಾದ ಪಾಲ್ಪಡೆಯನ ನವದೆಹಲಿದ ಭಾರತೀಯ ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ದ ಹಿರಿಯ ಸಲಹೆಗಾರ್ತಿ ಅಂಚನೆ ಮಾಜಿ ಜಂಟಿ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ KS ಭಾರತಿ ಒಟ್ಟಾದು ಉಡಾನ್ 2025 ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವನು ಉದಿಪನ ಮಲ್ತದು ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸಿರು.
Distinguish the Pro Chancellor Dr. Vishal Hegde, Dr. Fatima, and other Savita Naik and other distinguished guests, and of the dais guests, esteemed faculty, and most importantly, the brilliant nursing students of this institution. It's a true honor to be here with you on this special occasion, celebrating your achievements and the dedication you have shown in your studies and extracurricular activity. I really congratulate from my heart to everybody. Not only the achievements of students here, achievements of the faculty also. You are the role model for your students. Congratulations once again. We gather today not just to acknowledge your hard work, but also to recognize the profound impact you will have on the lives of countless individuals. You are the future of the healthcare and hope for a healthier and more compassionate world. I congratulate you on your achievements and dedications once again. Remember, your compassion and skills are vital for a better future, and I encourage you to continue striving for excellence in your chosen profession, not only now during your academics, but also when you go to the world in the field of nursing. At the heart of nursing lies a deep sense of empathy and care. Remember to always treat your patients with dignity and respect, understanding their unique needs and circumstances. The field of healthcare is constantly evolving. As you all saw during the COVID, pre-COVID and post-COVID has brought a lot of changes in the protocols. Nursing is a profession that demands continuous learning and development. Commit to lifelong learning and professional development, staying current with the latest research and the best practices, and none other than your principal is a role model for all the research activities here. So I just want to once again tell you that Indian Nursing Council is also not far behind. We make you say yes, you have to do your professional development, minimum of 150 hours in 5 years. Otherwise, you will not get your renewal of your license in the future, okay? Embrace the opportunities to expand your knowledge and refine your skills, staying abreast of the latest advancements in the healthcare. Effective healthcare is a team effort. It can't be by an individual. I learned to work collaboratively with doctors, therapists, and other healthcare professionals to ensure the best possible outcomes for your patients, because patients are your client. Your role in society is not just caregivers, you're also advocates for health and well-being. The preventive methodology also is in your hand. Use your knowledge and skill to educate patients and their families, empowering them to make informed decisions about their health. You are not going to take a decision, but you have to tell them what is right, what is wrong, not right and wrong. Give them the information, what is required for them, and the decision will be of the patient. So never regret that you were the part of any other practices if something goes wrong and you are part of it. So we have also to take care of our mental health. Many of you will go to become a nursing leaders, isn't it? In your field, shaping the future of nursing and healthcare. Embrace this opportunity to make a difference. A small difference will change the lives of the patients. The world faces with many challenges, from infectious diseases to chronic illnesses. As nurses, you have the power to make a positive impact on these challenges, one patient at a time. Nursing is a demanding profession. Did you learn in that 4 years and 3 years it's a demanding profession? Did you learn that? Did you come to know about it? Yes, it's very demanding compared to any other professions, but also deeply rewarding. You know, the patient may not remember the hospital, but they may not remember your name, but they remember your faces, that who helped us to recover, because the caring is the 24 hours, where the doctors come for a rounds only for 10 minutes. Embrace the challenges, opportunities that lie ahead, knowing that your work makes a real difference in people's lives. Your dedication, compassion, and skills with the latest technology. Don't worry, you have to be always updated with the latest technology, not only for the social media like Facebook, Reels, but also for your nursing profession. And vital for a better future, go forth and make a difference in the lives of those you serve. As we celebrate this annual day, let us also reflect on the incredible potential that lies within each of you. You are the future of nursing, and I have no doubt that you will make a profound impact on the world. I don't want to come between you and the culture program, so congratulations on your achievements and wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, madam, for your invaluable insights. Titles or power. It's about the vision, guidance, and the ability to inspire growth. This evening, we have the privilege of hearing from a leader who has been instrumental in shaping journey of our Nitte institutions. I now take this honor to invite our esteemed presiding officer, Shri Vishal Hegde, to deliver the presidential address.
Good evening, everyone. Srimati K.S. Bharati, Senior Consultant and former Joint Secretary, Indian Nursing Council. My colleagues at Nitte Usha Institute of Nursing Sciences and Nitte University, ladies and gentlemen, students of Nitte Usha Institute of Nursing Sciences. Let me first begin by congratulating all the winners who did so well for themselves in the academic programs as well as the cultural and sports activities. It's a privilege that we have Srimati K.S. Bharati with us here today. She has been in the forefront of nursing education, shaping tomorrow's nurses and helping institutions grow. By accepting our invitation to be here, she has definitely bestowed upon all of us an honor. On behalf of myself and Nitte University, a big thank you to you, madam, for being here with us today. Nursing education is what I call as the forefront of today's healthcare. Healthcare is definitely growing at a very fast pace. As people live longer, the need for healthcare is also expanding. And as Madam just said in her speech, the front end of any healthcare today is the nurses. When you go to any hospital, you would see your doctor for maybe once or maximum twice a day. But every ring of the call bell, it's the nurses who come and take care of you. All of you all have definitely chosen a very, very noble profession. It's now up to you all to show the compassion and the dedication for the profession that you all have selected. I'm sure the Nursing Institute has trained you all well, and you all will, as alumni, make this institution proud. Today it's a very, very small world. From the last 10 years, the world has truly become a global village. There are immense opportunities for all of you all. The opportunities are not only in our country, but all around the world. With the demographic dividend of India, it's the time for us to showcase to the world what India has. Our population, which once was negative for all growth parameters, today has turned out to be the biggest positive for all of us. The world is looking at India as the knowledge hub, as what they call as the Vishwaguru in terms of what manpower we can provide for the world. And nurses today are being welcomed in most Western as well as Eastern countries with open arms. Yes, with the opportunities of going all around the world being there, there is even more pressure on all of you all, not only to make your institution proud, but also your country proud. So all have chosen to go abroad or in the future choosing to go abroad. Definitely, I am sure you will make the institution as well as your country very, very, very proud. I don't want to speak much today because you all are all waiting for the cultural event. But before I end, I have to say something to each one of you all. As you all have in the next 1 year, some in the 2 years, some in 3 years graduate, we shouldn't forget the backbones who have supported you all in this journey of education. There has been someone who has stood behind your backs and supported you all around. It may be paying your fees, it may be helping you all emotionally when you all were down, and that's your parents and your family. As we move on, we all tend to take them for granted and just forget the sacrifices that they have made for us. I'm sure all of you all will definitely remember the sacrifices they have made, and when your time comes to give it back, I think and hope that most of you all will definitely give more than what you all have got. In the world today, it's a work-life balance. Sometimes I get very confused with what is work-life balance, because each one of us has our own take on what is work and what is life. But I think we definitely need to pull out the time for both our mental as well as our physical growth. And we need to definitely take care of ourselves, because only once we take care of ourselves will we be able to take care of others. And when I mean take care of others, it's professionally as well as personally. So people who themselves don't have good health, what can we or they take care of others? I would once again like to congratulate all the winners and wish each one of you all the very, very best in the profession that you all have selected. God bless you all. Thank you.
ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾತಿಮಾ ಡಿ ಸಿಲ್ವಾ ಕರಿನ ವರ್ಷದ ಪ್ರಗತಿ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಸಾಧನದ ಬಗೆಟ್ ಸಮಗ್ರ ವರದಿನ ಮಂಡಿಸಾಯಿರು.
Was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. May this act inspire us to nurture our dreams and let them soar high. Dr. Sabita Naik, Vice Principal, College of Nursing, to deliver the welcome address. Ma'am, the stage is yours.
Good evening, one and all gathered here to this annual day celebration. Distinguished Pro-Chancellor of Nitte Usha Vishal Hegde, esteemed Chief Guest Mrs. K.S. Bharati, ex-Joint Counsel and Senior Consultant, Indian Nursing Council, New Delhi, Principal Dr. Suma Ballal, dignitaries of the dais, faculty members, and my dear students, to warmly welcome everyone to this joyous occasion. And an academic administrator who holds multiple key roles, including trustee of Nitte Education and director of Lamina Suspension Products Limited, and has made significant contributions to the success of the educational institutions under the trust, attracting students both from India and abroad. On behalf of Nuance, a hearty welcome to you, sir. Former Joint Secretary of the Indian Nursing Council and presently the Senior Consultant, is a gold medalist in MSc Statistics and has made notable contributions to the Indian Nursing Council, including coordinating WHO projects and overseeing the implementation of e-governance. She has been pivotal in the revision of the nursing program syllabi and other educational advancements, naming a few: NRTS, GFATM, and also UNFPA projects. On behalf of Nuance, it's my pleasure to welcome you, Madam. I am indeed privileged to welcome our dear Principal of Nuance, Dr. Fatima De Silva, and I also acknowledge the guidance and leadership role of Dr. Fatima, which has shaped the Institute to excellence. Warm welcome. A special welcome to Deputy Registrar, Dr. Suma Ballal, who is with us today on this joyous occasion. Archana, the program coordinator of the event. Warm greeting is extended to the distinguished guests of the dais, to all faculty members, teaching and non-teaching, program coordinators, and all the members, students, and others involved in making this event a success. Once again, a cordial welcome to all and wishing everyone a pleasant evening. Thank you.
Today, as we celebrate Udan 2025, it's the perfect moment to reflect on our institution's growth.
Dr. K.S. Bharati, Senior Consultant and former Joint Secretary, Indian Nursing Council, I recognize the presence of all gathered here today. As an institute committed to nursing excellence, our goal has always been to instill high standards of professionalism, ethical values and skills in our students and equip them to face the challenges in the healthcare industry with confidence and competence. I'm proud to share that our students have demonstrated outstanding performances in the 2024 university examinations, with the overall toppers being Ms. Apsara Subba from the BSc Nursing program, Ms. Gaurav Roy Sardar from the PBBSc, and Ms. Vicky Priya from the MSc Nursing program. We have achieved 100% results for the PBBSc, MSc, as well as the 5th semester, 6th semester, and the 4th year BSc Nursing program. The pass percentage of all the semesters are equally commendable. Beyond academics, our students have also excelled in co-curricular and extracurricular activities. On the World Creativity and Innovation Day, held on 30th April 2024, our students, namely Ms. Saroprabha, 4th semester, won the first place in the essay writing competition, while Ms. Yami Furbu and Dalma of 2nd year PBBSc secured first place in the model making competition. Mr. Mainak Samantha, first year BSc student, won the first place in an e-poster competition conducted by Manaswini Hospital, Farangapet, on the occasion of World Suicide Prevention Day and World Mental Health Day on 10th October 2024. Our college football team emerged victorious in the intercollegiate tournament, with Karma of 2nd year GNM being awarded as the best goalkeeper and Yashi of 1st year GNM as the best attacker of the tournament. The week-long cultural fest Dhwani 2025, held from February 24 to March 1st, was a vibrant celebration of creativity, talent, and sportsmanship. I'm pleased to announce the achievers of the various events. The overall championship for the cultural was backed by the 7 semesters, with the individual title of Kala Tilak by Mr. Naveen and Kala Pratibha by Sister Jivita Lobo from 7th semester batch. The title of Kala Birichi was awarded to Sister Jivita Lobo again for the overall excellence in the hobbies events. In the sports meet, which was conducted on 28th February, the overall championship was backed by third year GNM. And the men's individual championship was awarded to Mr. Rolvin from third year GNM, while the women individual championship was backed by Deena Gowda from first year GNM. In the Nitte Usha Institute Nursing Premier League, football and throwball, the winners were Mystic Wolves with Miss Anaida from first year BSc Nursing as the best all-rounder for the throwball. In the 13th Nitte South India Medical and Dental Intercollegiate Accolades, the girls volleyball team from Nursing College were the winners. The player of the tournament was Miss Hemalata, our physical director. In the Intercollegiate Athletic Meet 2025 held at Karkala, Mr. Royston from third year BSc Nursing won the silver medal in the hammer throw. An inter-institutional nursing cultural fest was one of the historic events, which was led by Ms. Cheryl Fernandez, our SNA advisor. The events witnessed participation from 18 nursing colleges across Udupi, Manipal, and Mangalore. The event was inaugurated by the presence of renowned Miss Teen World Supermodel, Global Miss Teen Karnataka and actress Miss Vencita Dias and Mr. Rakshan Madur, singer and scriptwriter. Hearty congratulations, dear students, for your amazing performances. Our faculty and students have also actively engaged in several academic, scientific, and community-oriented services that uphold the ethos of nursing, of serving mankind with compassion and care. Few of the departmental achievements I would like to highlight on this significant day. The Department of Child Health Nursing, under the leadership of Professor Sujata, has hosted the following activities: a state-level workshop on hands-on experience, a mass health education on breastfeeding at Sri Dharmasthala Rural Development Project, collaborated with Department of Public Health Dentistry Dental Institute for a dental screening on occasion of Children's Day. Professor Sujata as well as Dr. Charlotte has been invited as speakers by several institutes to deliberate on topics like palliative care, caregivers and oncology, and rekindling excellence, innovative approaches to pediatric care. They have also funded projects, undergraduate projects, completed it successfully, and the department has currently taken 5 undergraduate and 1 staff funded project. 2 faculty from the department have enrolled for the PhD program. The Department of OBG, under the leadership of Philomena Fernandez, has led several initiatives. She has hosted an international virtual webinar with alumni Mrs. Mercia Rekha D'Souza from Hermet Medical Corporation, Qatar. A state-level workshop on effective communication and research from a faculty called as Dr. Sonia from Manipal. Dr. Sabita Nayak and Dr. Nitte Kamath have successfully secured an external research grant of 2,50,000 each from the Central Institute of Classical Tamil. This funding supports the prestigious translation project, which involves translating the classical Tamil literary work to Konkani. The Department of MSN, under the leadership of Dr. Lata, has organized a 3-day workshop on cardiovent from 8th to 10th August with Maria Sharon, Head Key Projects, ISDC. I'm also happy to share that Ms. Lata, Associate Professor and Head Department of Medical Surgical Nursing, was awarded PhD on 16th November 2024 under the guidance of Dr. Nitte Kamath. The Department of Mental Health, under the leadership of Dr. Nalini, has hosted an international webinar on trends in mental health nursing along with an alumni from Institute of Technology, New Zealand. The Department of Psychiatry Nursing, in collaboration with Dharmasthala Rural Development Project, celebrated the World Alzheimer's Day and an awareness program on World Mental Health Day. The Department of Community, and I also wish to say that Dr. Nalini has now been promoted as an Assistant Controller of Examination at Nitte University. It's a great honor for a nurse being a part of as a part of the evaluation in the university. The Department of Community Health Nursing, under the leadership of Dr. Nitte Usha, organized a regional workshop on streamlining research process in collaboration with NMIT. A walkathon and an awareness talk was organized on 29 November in observance of World AIDS Day. Let's all join together to congratulate Dr. Nitte Usha, Head Department of Community Health Nursing, for being the recipient of the Nitte Distinguished Best Teacher Award, Institutional Awardee for the year 23-24. I'm also deeply honored to say that I have been recognized as the Best Researcher Institutional Awardee for 3 consecutive years, including 2024. Additionally, I was privileged to receive the Karnataka Women Achievers Award for Excellence in Nursing Education at the prestigious state-level event held at Bangalore at Taj Vivanta. With regard to research, the institute was successful in publishing 19 research papers in impact factor journals and have obtained 4 copyrights. The institute has participated proactively in several government initiatives like the Water Awareness Drive on Shahidi Divas, the Swachhata campaign, the Independence Day celebration, the World Environmental Day campaign, which was started by the Honorable Prime Minister to encourage people to plant trees in memory of their mothers, was inaugurated on the same day. The other notable events included were the lamp lighting ceremony, the International Nurses Day, the International Yoga Day, the World Environment Day, which was celebrated by the YRC unit. The College Innovators Innovation Project and Development Center of the Nursing College is a very unique initiative, and they organized hands-on session of 3D printing technology and its application in healthcare innovation on 30th November 2024. The Women's Cell conducted a seminar on laws concerning women's protection and environment. The IQAC conducted a seminar on quality initiatives in higher education institution under the leadership of Dr. Sabita Naik. The institute hosted 17 days global health internship program to 6 Danish nursing students from University of Copenhagen from 4th September till 20th September. Today also we have Mr. Jacob from the same university who is with us carrying out his internship in our institute. Welcome to you, Mr. Jacob. We have an alumni reunion on 15th November with felicitation of alumni for their achievements in academics, selfless voluntary services, and their significant talents in culture and arts. These activities are headed by none other than Dr. Suchitra. The Freshers' Day festivals like Diwali, Christmas are also celebrated with great enthusiasm and fun. The implementation of NEP guidelines through our regulatory bodies and the university norms have brought a transformative change in the nursing education, providing a holistic environment for being engaged learners. We have an empowered team of dedicated faculty who have been the founders of success. They have been certified in various skills that have translated into fruitful outcomes. We have faculty, 3 faculty who are trained as certified trainers in pediatric advanced life support by the Indian Institute of Emergency Medical Services, endorsed by the American Heart Association. Mrs. Jeevita Alva is also trained by the Indian Nursing Council on on-site skill standardization and simulation training for midwifery. 5 faculty are certified life skill trainers from NIMHANS. for life skills and have imparted these skills to several school students from various institutes in Mangalore. To promote industry-academia collaboration, the industry-sponsored workshops are organized with the following industries under the able leadership of Dr. Jacinta Vegas. She has organized 2 industry-academia programs, empowering nurses for oncology care sponsored by Intas Pharmaceuticals, where 300 nurses were trained, a workshop sponsored by OHygia LLP Bangalore on sustaining menstrual hygiene by empowered use of menstrual cup. The workshop was aligned with the SDG 3, 5, 6, 12 and 13 by promoting menstrual health, gender equality and sustainability. Ms. Jeevita Alba, the placement coordinator, organized a national level workshop in collaboration with Prime Step Training Organization, Gurugram, on emotional intelligence, time management and mind mapping for 200 outgoing students. These achievements reflect the inspiration of our Chancellor, Shri N.V. Hegde, our Pro-Chancellors, Dr. Shantaram Shetty and Mr. Vishal Hegde, the support of our VC, Dr. Muditaya, our Registrar, Dr. Harsha, and all the esteemed officials of Nitte deemed to be University. Tonight, we are honored to have the Pro-Chancellor, Mr. Vishal Hegde, with us. Your commitment, sir, to excel and tireless efforts are truly admirable. On behalf of the Nursing College, I wholeheartedly thank you for contributing immensely for our growth and success. The attention, care and concern which you bestow on the Nursing College is immense, and we acknowledge it with utmost gratitude. Thank you. The dedication on this special occasion, I would like to extend a heartfelt gratitude to Srimati K.S. Bharati, Senior Consultant, Indian Nursing Council, who has been the pillar of strength and support for all nurses all over India. Ma'am, today we are truly honored by your presence, and on behalf of the university, I thank you for being instrumental in empowering nurses and keeping them always in the forefront of all healthcare initiatives. The dedication of our faculty, both teaching and non-teaching, the inspiration of our students, and the support from our parents, alumni, and other stakeholders in advancing nursing education, research, and community service in Nitte Usha Institute of Nursing Sciences is noteworthy. With an empowered team, industry collaborations, and commitment to lifelong learning, we at Nitte deemed to be University all continue to shape the future of nursing. Thank you all. Have a good evening, and let us look forward for another year of excellence and progress. Thank you.
ಸುಕೇಶ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ನಿಯತಕಾಲಿಕೆ ದರ್ಪಣ 2029 ಅಧಿಕೃತ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ವೀರೇಶ್ ಕಡೆಮನಿ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ತೇಜ ಬಿಸಿ ಬರೇನ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲಿಸಮ್, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಥಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ BSc ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಪನ್ಪಿ ಪುಸ್ತಕನ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
And vision in guiding this institution towards excellence. Now comes a moment of pride and creativity. Magazine is not just a collection of words, it's a reflection of talents and the vibrant spirit of our institution. Of Science editorial and library was held on 8th March 2025 for the 25, inviting students and faculty to contribute for the magazine's cover page. Total 11 participants took, and the prize goes to, any guesses? And the prize goes to, here goes the name of the winner, Mr. Viresh Kadamani, Lecturer, Department of Medical Surgical Nursing. To officially unveil Darpan 2025, I invite Chief Editors Mr. Sukesh and Mr. Viresh Kadamani to step forward. Srimati K.S. Bharati to do the honors of unveiling the magazine. Darpan 2025 cover page is a visual narrative of nursing evolution, seamlessly blending its heritage present advancements, and futuristic aspiration. This creativity creativity, I now request Shri Vishal Page winner to Mr. Veeresh Kadamani, lecturer, medical surgical nursing. Together, they are a gateway to knowledge, shaping minds and inspiring generation. Today, we are honored to witness the unveiling of remarkable contribution to nursing education, a book of professionalism, professional values and ethics, including bioethics for BSc nursing students as a revised syllabus of INC, authored by Mr. Veeresh Kadamani and Mr. Teja BC from Medical Surgical Department, published under MS Medical Publisher Private Limited, Bangalore. This book reflects salient features like comprehensive coverage of the topic, student-friendly content, practical case studies, and reflective exercises for applied learning and development. I invite both the authors to step forward and unveil their book under the witness of the distinguished dignitaries on the dais. Congratulations to both of. Thank you, dear authors and our dignitaries. A true leader is one who inspires, uplifts and paves the way for progress.
ಈ ಪೊರ್ತು ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಕೆ.ಎಸ್. ಭಾರತೀಯರಿಗೆ ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ವೃತ್ತಿಗೆ ಕೊರ್ನ ಗಮನಾರ್ಹ ಕೊಡುಗೆಗಾದ ಗೌರವಿಸಾಯರು.
K.S. Bharati from the Indian Nursing Council, New Delhi, whose contribution to the field of nursing have been truly commendable. To express our gratitude and appreciation, I now request Mrs. Archana Naik, Assistant Professor, Medical Surgical Nursing, to come forward to take over the stage for the felicitation.
The citation of Srimati K.S. Bharati, Senior Consultant and former Madam, to kindly come forward and take your seat. It is our great pleasure to felicitate Mrs. K.S. Bharati, Senior Consultant and former Joint Secretary, Indian Nursing Council, New Delhi, in recognition of her outstanding contributions to the field of nursing education and healthcare. Statistics from Mysore University, Mrs. K.S. Bharati has had a distinguished career spanning 20 years at the Indian Nursing Council, where she served as the overall in charge of administrative and institutional work. Her remarkable achievements include the successful coordination of various WHO projects, the management of the GFATM project, and the conceptualization and implementation of the nurse registration and tracking system and online approval and appellations process for the nursing educational institutions. Mrs. Bharati's leadership and expertise have also been instrumental in the revision of syllabus for the nursing programs, digitalization and implementation of e-governance, and as program coordinator of the UNFPA project for capacity building of midwifery faculty. With great respect, we acknowledge Mrs. Bharati's remarkable dedications, commitment, and tireless effort towards the advancing nursing education and healthcare in India. We are honored to facilitate her and wish her continued success in her future endeavors. I request dignitaries on the dais to felicitate Mrs. K.S. Bharati.
Today, we take pride in honoring the brilliant minds who have excelled in academics for the year 2023 to 2024. To announce the names of our outstanding achievers, I now invite Mrs. Cleta Anlin Pinto, Principal School of Nursing, to take the stage.
ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಲದ ವಿತರಣೆದ ಮೂಲಕ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾನ್ವಿತ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಾಯಿರು. ಬಿಎಸ್ಸಿ ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಜೀವಿತಾ ಲೋಬೋ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಜಿಎನ್ಎಂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ರಾಲ್ವಿನ್ ರೋಹನ್ ಡಿಸಿಲ್ವರಿಗ್ ಅಸಾಧಾರಣ ನಾಯಕತ್ವ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಷಮತೆಯನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಾದ ಡೀನ್ ಗೌರವ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರದಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತೇರು.
The award winners of 2024-25 from the batches of MSc, PBBSc, GNM, as well as your chief guest of the day, Srimati K.S. Bharati, the senior consultant and former joint secretary of Indian Nursing Council, to award the academic prize toppers. I request the students to come forward and collect your prizes as your names are called. Second year MSc Nursing, as well as the subject topper in Nursing Management, goes to Miss Vicky Priya of MSc Nursing. The academic topper of first year MSc, the subject topper for the advanced nursing practice, nursing research and statistics and nursing education goes to Ms. Tissel Roslyn Bukru. Community Health Nursing, Mental Health Nursing and Introduction to Nursing Education for the PBBSc goes to Mr. Gaurav Roy Sardar. The subject topper for the second year PBBSc Nursing Sociology goes to Mr. Oipaya.
The academic topper, the subject topper in Nursing Foundation, Nutrition and Dietetics, Biochemistry, Biophysics, Psychology, Microbiology, Maternal Nursing, Child Health Nursing, Medical Surgical Nursing, English, all the subject toppers of first year PBBSc goes to Cubini Murray. The subject topper for the community health nursing goes to Miss Mushrin Farad. The academic topper, the subject topper for the medical surgical nursing 1 and 2 second year GNM goes to Miss Maitri N. Health nursing of second year GNM goes to Miss Anora Lewis. And the subject topper for the Nursing Foundation as well as in first year GNM goes to Insumgla. The subject topper of Psychology and Sociology, first year GNM goes to Miss Tenzin Seang. The subject topper of Community Health Nursing goes to Miss Sanjana D'Souza. Thank you. My request Shri Vishal Hegde sir to give away the prizes to the awardees. The prize of the 6th semester topper and the subject topper in Child Health Nursing 1 and 2 goes to Miss Jeevita Lobo. The subject topper for the Mental Health Nursing 1 and 2 goes to Gurme Lamu. The subject topper for the Nursing Management and Leadership goes to Miss Maria Saji. The 5th semester topper, the subject topper for the Community Health Nursing 1, Educational Technology Nursing Education goes to Miss Sneha Chandran. Of 4th semester, Adult Health Nursing 2, the 5th semester subject topper, Community Health Nursing 1 goes to Miss Joshika Mercy Gonsalves. Semester topper, subject topper, Pharmacology 2, Pathology 2, Genetics. 5th semester subject topper, Educational Technology, Nursing Education goes to Ms. Saroprabha MB. Second and third semester topper, the subject topper for the Applied Biochemistry and Applied Nutrition and Dietetics, Nursing Foundation 1 and 2, Applied Microbiology and Infection Control, Adult Health Nursing 1 goes to Mr. Tenzin Renchin. The first semester topper and the subject topper for the Applied Anatomy, Applied Physiology goes to Miss Gopika C. The subject topper for the Applied Social Sociology, Applied Psychology goes to Mr. Aditya Suresh Babu. The Alumni Association of the Nuins identifies the best outgoing students of BSc Nursing as well as GNM Nursing with a cash prize of Rs 5,000 every year based on the criteria. This year, the best outgoing student from the BSc Nursing goes to Ms. Apsara Subba of the batch 2024 and the GNM goes to Ms. Maitri N of the batch 2124. I request Ms. Maitri N to come forward and receive your award of Best Outgoing Student. The Alumni Association also presents the Harish Memorial Award for securing highest marks in Adult Health Nursing 1 and 2. I request Ms. Gyume Lamo of the 7th semester to receive the Harish Memorial Award of Rs 9,000. Thank you, sir. Now I request Professor Fatima De Silva, Principal Nuins, to award the Individual Championship of Culturals, Hobbies and Sports. The Kala Pratibha Culturals Girls as well as Kala Biruchi for the Hobbies Individual Championship is backed by Ms. Jivita Lobo of 7th semester BSc Nursing. Tilaka Cultural Boys goes to Mr. Naveen of 7th semester BSc Nursing. The annual athletic meet individual prize men's goes to Mr. Rolvin of 3rd year GNM. And in the women's section, it goes to Ms. Deena from 1st year GNM. The Kala Vaibhav overall cultural trophy is backed by 7th semester BSc Nursing. Sportive Jode 2025 overall sports trophy goes to 3rd year GNM. Martis and K. Manisha of 6th semester BSc Nursing. Demonstrated outstanding academic performance, leadership, interpersonal skills, and strong integrity. Inaugurated this year, the Dean's Award has been made possible through the generous contribution from Dr. Fatima De Silva, Dean of Nursing, with additional support from Principal School of Nursing. It's been presented to Ms. Jivita Lobo of 7th semester BSc Nursing and Mr. Rolvin Rohan De Silva from 3rd year BSc Nursing. I request all the dignitaries on the dais to join in awarding this prize.
ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಬಿತಾ ನಾಯಕ್ ಸಭೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡೇರು. ಕ್ಲೀಟಾ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಪಿಂಟೋ ಸೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸಂದಾಯರು.
Honorable Pro Chancellor Shri Vishal Hegde, esteemed Chief Guest of this function Srimati K.S. Bharati, Dr. Fatima De Silva, Principal of Nitte Usha Institute of Nursing Sciences, other dignitaries on the dais, dear faculty members, students, a very good evening to one and all gathered here. It's both an honor and privilege to stand before you and express my heartfelt gratitude on this truly auspicious and momentous occasion. First and foremost, I would like to extend a profound gratitude to our Honorable Pro Chancellor Shri Vishal Hegde for graciously accepting our invitation to preside over this event. Sir, your presence here today is a great honor for us. Your inspiration and thought-provoking words of encouragement and wisdom have ignited a sense of purpose within us. We are truly grateful for your continued guidance. Next, I wish to express our heartfelt thanks to our chief guest, Srimati K.S. Bharati, Senior Consultant and former Joint Secretary of Indian Nursing Council. Madam, we are incredibly honored to have you with us. Your gracious acceptance of our invitation and your willingness to share your valuable insight over the past 2 days have been an immense privilege for us. Your words today have been a true source of inspiration, and we are thankful for your dedication and impact you have made in the field of nursing. Thank you, Madam. To show our appreciation, I would now like to request Ms. Sneha Chandran, a talented 7th semester student, to present a special memento to our President and Chief Guest, a piece of her own artistic creation as a token of our deep gratitude and request. Thank you, Sneha, for this wonderful gesture. I would like to convey our sincere appreciation to Dr. Fatima De Silva, the principal of Nitte Usha Institute of Nursing Sciences, for your unwavering support, encouragement, and visionary leadership. Your passion for education, your commitment to excellence continuously inspires all the faculty of Nuance to collectively work towards the growth of the institution. Madam, your vision remains the beacon that guides us forward, and for that we are extremely grateful. Thank you, ma'am. I take this opportunity to express my deep thanks to Dr. Sabita Nayak, the Vice Principal of Nuance, for your constant guidance, timely suggestions, and your instrumental role in ensuring that this event has been a grand success. Thank you, madam. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to all the invited guests, faculty, non-teaching staff, dear alumni for being here today with us. Your presence adds immense value to this occasion, and we are grateful for this. I take this opportunity to thank all our dear student body who have been gathered, without whom this function wouldn't have been completed. Thanks to all the student body who are seated here. A special mention and thanks due to the press, photographer, decorators, catering team for their excellent arrangements for the smooth conduct of this event. Thank you. To acknowledge and applaud the hard work of the entire organizing team. They have worked tirelessly, often going above and beyond to ensure that today's event is a grand success. A special thanks goes to Mr. Archana, the program coordinator, along with a dedicated and motivated team who has made this event successful. Thanks to all the coordinators of the different committees for making this program a success. Once again, I thank each one of you for your invaluable contribution in making this occasion unforgettable. I wish you all a pleasant and peaceful evening ahead. Thank you once again.